You are welcome to Sport Weirdest TV. Today, it's a combination of the weirdest creatures on earth, both on water and on land. And today, we get to find some clips of some fantastic creatures that might blow your mind. So now watch to the end. So now real quick, I get in with this incredible clip for you of the creature called the Ayaye. Spelled Ayeaye. I call it the local way of the culture that call it Ayaye with the meaning evil and magical. With a close look at this creature, it is having a similar features like that of a cat with some two pointed teeth, with also some fingers, one thin finger, and also other ones with a hard kind of nails, and now having the kind of familiarity like that of a bat. This creature is very horrible and one of a type, very unique. So now this creature uses this finger particularly to tap the tree and also use it as a tool to dig the tree. That is incredible. As you can see here, this is so marvelous from looking at it. And from here you can also see how this creature uses this finger to many activities such as to dig and to exude out the ground, looking and searching for possible insects for food. And now, still up to today, the Ayaye is still unknown to some animal in the kingdom. And now I bring you the second clip of all these creatures. With no wasting of time, we all know snakes to be like this, but as of the Madagascar leaf nose snake, it is like this. It is brought congenitally with a sharp pointed object from its mouth. This kind of snake, this particular species of snake, are in different categories. We can see here from the brown and the yellow one and also the green type. And you see this kind of particular one is unidentified when in the dry leaves is unidentified. But this in the vegetation you find it so hard to know if it is there. I pray you never find it in your garden though. And this animal has the quality of the kind of a body's posture that is not at all seeming to be like that of a living thing. Like that, other smaller wild animals come closer. So boom, he used it for food. Food done. Next, we have the stargazer. The stargazer is a kind of a huge fish type, appearing to be a unique one of its type. The stargazer species split into different many categories, like this and also this. There are two different types and even more. As the name implies, stargazer, it never fails from looking at the stars. Even as it tries hiding into the sands to find food, it never forgets to leave the eyes open to the stars. The stargazer was made with so many strategies and features as its body rhymes with the nature of the sea and also the pointing objects that attract other smaller animals closer, and that he used them for food. Here, the stargazer eyes seems not blinking at all because at all time we see the stargazer eyes open, gazing at the stars, and never would it stop gazing at the stars. The great Portu. The great Portu can never and would never fail to be called a statue for the first time by an unknown person. Great Portu are said to be common in regions like South America, North America, and other possible regions in the world. I wish they were in my region. So many qualities with great Portus are quite obvious to be said. They love being quiet and calm, of no disturbances, and they had to be settled or sat in places that are of different color to their feathers. Like this, they love being in places, areas, or branches of trees that are just same color to their feathers. They had to be seen different from other objects or other materials around their surroundings. I love great Portu for their unique being. Drop in the comment section if you also love potu as I do. Drop it and said I love potus. Next, frogfish. The frogfish are full of hair-like congenital materials full over their body and of different categories. And the frogfish are also believed to transforming and being adapted to that behavior like that of a chameleon, changing colors due to the position or area they find themselves. And now this is the end of these clips. And so if you love this content, do remember to subscribe and stay tuned to support TheRichest TV.